Members of the People's National Party has launched scathing attacks on Orlando Terrelonge, saying, quote, that the PNP are straight and not bend up.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Several prominent members of the opposition PNP are urging comrades to ensure that the JLP's Orlando Terrelonge is booted as Member of Parliament for East Central St. Catherine. The comrades attended a PNP meeting on Sunday at the Cedar Grove Academy in Portmore, St. Catherine, where Dr. Winston Delahaye was formally introduced as the party's standard bearer for the East Central St. Catherine seat, and they launched attack after attack on Terrelonge. First out of the block was Northwest St. Ann MP, Dr. Darren Campbell.
The little fake Rasta man over here. Every day and get up in the on toxic masculinity. I don't know what is that. We want to give you a member of parliament that will represent the issues in the constituency.
PNP Deputy Chairman Horace Daly also took a swipe at Terrelonge. Mr. Daly told comrades to work with Dr. Delahaye because members of the PNP are straight and not bend up.
We don't go down, we go up. Where PNP go? PNP go up. PNP go up. PNP go up. And we straight. We go up and we straight. We no bend up. When we are walking up Duke Street, I want to look to my left and I see Comrade Dr. Winston Delahaye representing you.
And South St. Andrew MP Mark Golding also fired a salvo at the sitting East Central St. Catherine Member of Parliament.
And me just want say to una say, remember we don't know if this is a sprint, a 100 meter, a 400 meter, a 1500 meter, a 5000 meter race. So you have to keep going. But you come after an almighty start, and I know say Terrelonge, when him see the straightness of the man who's coming against him, will be wobbling and quaking in his boots tonight.
Golding has since issued a public apology.
Teach them! Hey, yo, send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.